I chose to be a futurist 30 years ago because I simply love the future. I think it's the most fascinating topic in the whole wide world. I mean, we're not here to predict the future. We are here to create an intelligent conversation around the future.
What we actually have data on here at CIFS is how people perceive the future.
One of the key challenges I'm working with is actually the standard megatrends shaping the future. The megatrends of demography, of individualization, of digitalization of society is extremely important. And what we try to do is to actually present the megatrends in a context that makes sense to companies and society. My worry about the future is that people and organizations don't take the future seriously. That we get stuck in the present and we forget about the future in our day-to-day lives. And that goes for people on the street, that goes for companies, and that goes for governments. And that's why we need to have a dialogue about the future right now.